Hi buddies, welcome back. It's Anne-Sophie and today I'm going to show you how you can add contacts and delete contacts on your iPhone 15. We want to go to our contacts here, click on them, and then we want to press on the little plus in this corner right here. And now we can add a name. Let's say we name the person Henry, then we can also type in the last name of that person. We have the option to add a company that the person might work for, and then we can add a phone number, just some random numbers now. Then we can also add an email. We can add pronouns. That is new, I didn't know that. We can also add another number. We can also label the numbers. So let's say this one is their home number, and then this one is their mobile number, or I don't know, their Apple Watch, their school number, work number, their iPhone, pager, or we can also add a custom label. So that's pretty nice what Apple offers us here, and then we can go ahead and say done. So this is our new contact Henry now. So that's how you can add contacts to your iPhone. And to delete contacts now, you can go to your overview here and then press and hold, and then you can say delete contact. If you only press on the contact and say edit, and then we can also delete the contact down here. I'm gonna do that right now, delete contact, and then Henry is gone out of our contacts. Another option you have is to delete your contacts is when you go to settings, go to your account, iCloud, and then go to apps using iCloud, show all, go to contacts, and then disable that and say delete from my iPhone. Then all your contacts will be deleted as well. So that's how you can add and delete contacts on your iPhone 15. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.